Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2002 Toyota Solara. The headlight bulb is easy to change, as you only have to reach behind the housing for access to the assembly. Checking the engine coolant fluid level is easy to do, as the reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will allow you to also easily replenish the fluid level. The transmission fluid level is easy to check, as the fluid dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To access the fog light, you'll have to peel down a panel and remove a few bolts for access. This is tough, as you'll have to crawl under the vehicle and contend with gravity to complete this. Checking the brake fluid level can be tough, as the reservoir is not located in an overly visible spot in the engine bay. This can make it hard to read the level markers. While you won't need any tools for access, the oil filter can be difficult to change, as it will require a tight reach in the engine bay. Overall, the 2002 Toyota Solara is a relatively easy car to maintain and a good choice for the average car owner.